How to split items in Terraria on Xbox. So first open up your inventory, just like that. Then highlight the stack of items you want to split. It could either be potions, building blocks, or ammo, whatever it is. And just basically hover to it and you will see controls at the bottom. So if you want to take or split some of your items, just basically press LB on your controller. So if you just simply click on it, it will get one, but if you hold it, as you can see, it will automatically get the amount that you desire. So just hold it until you're satisfied. I'm just going to put it back. So let's say I want to get 3,000 wood platforms. I'm just going to hold it like this until I reach 3k, just like that. Or if you want to take half of it, you just basically need to reach around 5k. So slowly until you reach your desired amount. So let's say just like this, and I'm just going to put it right there. And as you can see, I now have a split amount of the two. So it's not the exact, but of course it's pretty close. And you could do this to everything. You could also do this to your coins, your weapons. So as you can see right there, I can just do that. Place it right back if I want. So just make sure that you're doing this in a safe enemy-free area rather than mid-combat. Fumbling through inventory menus while enemies are attacking you is a great way to lose health fast. But that is how you basically split items in Terraria.